Hola, adventure amigos. Feliz Nuevo Año.
Happy New Year. Welcome to a sunny day in Nuevo Vallarta. And welcome to our first vlog of 2022.
Hey, a few days ago we had an awesome little adventure where we did a hike from the romantic zone of Puerto Vallarta to this cool little lookout viewpoint called Mirador Cerro de la Cruz, which translates to the cross on the hill, roughly. And after that, we checked out this awesome little river in the mountains and a restaurant called Chico's Paradise.
Enough chitter chatter, roll the montage.
Part of me wants to stay forever. Part of me is afraid to get hurt. Love always made a mess of me. Broken heart got the best of me. But with you, I am high. I'm alive, and it feels like paradise. It feels like paradise. Ooh. And it feels like paradise. It feels like paradise. Ooh. And it feels like of me wants to say it's real, I'm here to stay. Part of me is afraid to feel it. Love always was a curse to me. Broken heart made the worst of me. But with you, I am high. I'm alive, and it feels like paradise. It feels like paradise, ooh. And it feels like paradise. It feels like paradise, ooh. And it feels like paradise. And it feels like paradise. And it feels like paradise.
Alrighty, Jessica, how many steps was that?
So from the very top of the lookout to here is 289 stairs.
Nice.
And we did it.
Woo!
Oh, we still got more to go.
Alright. Welcome to Chico's Paradise. Alrighty guys, that was our adventure to Mirador Serra de la Cruz and Chico's Paradise, where we got to go for a quick swim and have an amazing seafood feast.
Thanks for joining along in our adventures. If you like this kind of thing, maybe like and subscribe and leave a comment.
CJ out!
Part of me wants to stay forever. Part of me is afraid to get hurt. Love always made a mess of me. Broken heart got the best of me. But with you, I am high. I'm alive, and it feels like paradise.